Do you have an iPad and an Apple Pencil, but you're not exactly sure what to do with it? I have the solution for you. With the Procreate app and my digital stamps, you can spend time relaxing on the couch, coloring for relaxation, or to design a birthday card for your best friend, or a sticker for your teenager, or framed art for your grandson's room. The possibilities are truly endless. If you already have the app Procreate, you can go right now to Matsy Shop and grab your set of digital stamps. This set is called Celebrate. It comes with 70 ready-to-use digital stamps for your iPad. That means you'll have a variety of designs to create with so that you can feel like an artist. Once you get started creating, you're going to be addicted. And then I have lots and lots of other stamp sets, digital stamp sets for you for the different holidays, Valentine's Day, Christmas, fall, lots of fun themes. They are instant downloads so you can get started today.